If you're taking a brief trip to the woods, a hammock is a perfect addition. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and comfortable for sleeping. Depending on your needs, hammocks can also be downright inexpensive, but they don't have to be. But when it comes to choosing a hammock, it is essential to consider a few critical factors, such as the type of hammock, the material used, size, weight capacity, suspension system, etc. So if you need help to find a suitable one for you, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. We are starting our list with the Hennessy Ultralight Hammock. It provides comfort for those up to 6 feet and 250 pounds, with more room for shoulders at one end. Also, the patented integral ridge line on the hammock maintains the same comfortable shape every time to keep your back straight and level when resting on the diagonal. Its mesh provides excellent insect protection and ventilation, which will deflect wind to provide a calm space inside. The waterproof polyester ripstop rainfly may be tilted to any angle, rolled up above, removed, or used separately, and its large rainfly offers ample protection. On the other hand, the complementary polyester webbing straps are attached to the end of the suspending ropes to protect the tender bark of the trees and provide greater span for the ropes. Further, this hammock folds into an open-air lounger/chair, or can be used on the ground like a tent when paired with your hiking poles. Next up on the list, we have Grand Trunk SBH-PRO. At just over 7 ounces, it is a hammock that's light enough to travel on any adventure. It packs down to the size of a softball and comes with bent wire carabiners that make it easy to attach to any tree straps. This hammock is made of super strong and durable parachute nylon material. You won't have to squash annoying flying things because the attached no-see-um mosquito net mesh and double-sided zipper seal them outside and can support up to 400 pounds. Its no-see-um mosquito netting hangs overhead and away from your face, so you can still read a book or sip a drink. Up next on the list, we have Hammock R0003. This hammock unfurls to 10 feet length by 5.7 inches wide, about the size of a queen-size bed, and it comfortably fits 2 people. It has a weight capacity of 500 pounds and is made of Hammock's proprietary lunar wave fabric that is stronger, lighter, and softer than other parachute fabrics. It also comes with 2 climbing-rated carabiners and 2 Dyneema slings for suspension. It is treated with a DWR premium water repellent for maximum moisture resistance and offers less weight per square inch than any other hammock fabric, with similar strength characteristics. Moreover, its double wire gates ensure your hammock won't slip out while you hang, so that you can rest easy all night long. Plus, the racer slings are made of Dyneema, a super strong synthetic fiber that weight for weight is 15 times stronger than steel. With room for 2, the Eagle's Nest Outfitters DoubleNest Hammock is your portable luxury lounger for the backyard, the beach, or the backcountry. It has a highly packable design that stuffs down to the size of a softball, and the breathable woven nylon fabric supports up to 400 pounds. The sturdy carabiner attachments let you clip on to your anchor of choice for a comfortable nap or for spending the night suspended. Further, the nautical grade line with stainless steel snap links safely secure to trees, poles, boat masts, or even the wall. Moreover, this hammock is versatile, durable, and compact, making it ideal for hiking camping, boating, traveling, backyarding, or just relaxing. Another advantage is that the attached compression stuffed sack compacts the hammock down to the backpack-friendly size of a grapefruit. Meet the all-new Grand Trunk Ultralight Hammock. This product is light, weighing around 12 ounces, and it packs down small. It uses one small S-hook at each end for attaching to tree straps. But if you prefer carabiners or larger hooks, you can replace them quickly. Rated for up to holding 200 pounds, this hammock is stronger. For durability and comfort, this ultralight hammock is made from 100% king rhombic. Aside from its sturdy, compact, and lightweight construction, this ultralight hammock is also very affordable and perfect for your young scout. Furthermore, it comes in different colors and is made with breathable material, making it an outstanding hammock. The next product on the list is the Grand Trunk Nano 7. Weighing in at a scant 7.3 ounces, it takes up a minuscule amount of space and provides a large amount of room to kick back after a hard day in the mountains. It is made from sharkskin gray 1.27 ounce ripstop nylon and includes a pair of ultralight aluminum premium carabiners, which allows you to quickly and safely attach your hammock wherever you want to relax. Its premium aluminum carabiners and ripstop nylon construction allow this hammock to hold up to 300 pounds. With virtually no weight or size penalty, you've got no excuse not to take this hammock along with you on all your adventures. At the top of the list of best backpacking hammocks we have, Hummingbird Hammocks. It weighs less than a lemon and packs smaller than a coffee cup, holds up to 300 pounds, and is designed by a parachute rigger. Also, it brings parachute technology to the hammock industry for the first time. The Button Links feature 15,000-pound Spectra cord, is a custom designed 3D printed button, and extremely simple assembly. Button links can be compressed and packed small into the hammock, allowing us to have a hammock that is lighter and more compact than anything else available on the market. While it's thin and ultralight, it has a tensile strength of 50 pounds per square inch, so you can rest assured that it will support you. However, the uncoated nature of the fabric also keeps the hammock from feeling clammy against your skin, while the windproof requirement of true parachute fabric helps keeps the cold wind at bay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.